Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. How often do you use your mobile or cell phone?
Most of the time, your phones, receiving call, make a call, sending messages, and mostly when I awake, I use the phone.
Okay, do you use different mobile applications or mobile applications?
Yes, a number of applications I use like WhatsApp, Facebook, ELO for shopping online, Google Chrome.
Okay, what's your favorite mobile application and why?
Uh, my favorite app is WhatsApp because we've just it brings close to family, friends. We are just sending messages instantly. They receive it and just send pictures, videos, and sharing status. Even sometime we may share locations as a new place there is.
Okay, do you think children should use mobile applications?
Children may use, there are a lot of applications like educational applications during a pandemic, COVID-19. Children use cell phones for online classes, teaching.
All right, now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2 and your topic is, what's the topic card number? 9. Describe a time when you were really close to a wild animal. So you can start, please.
I'm a nature lover. I like to visit zoos and safari parks and forests. So here I'm going to talk about animal which is about 10 to 15 feet distance in a safari park. So it is an animal. It is an elephant. They are big land animals. They are herbivorous.
Okay.
And they eat grass, roots. They eat about 3,000 pounds a day. So they are very humble. So even people, unlike other wild animals, they can enjoy the company of human being. And
Okay, that's fine. You've spoken for 1 minute. You should focus your sentence structure very seriously. Number 1. Number 2, there are several pauses. Means you're taking breaks and then you are producing the language. Language should go on in one go, not like with the breaks and all that, right? Now, let's move on with speaking part 3. In general, do you think people like wild animals?
small number of people like wild animals because they go to forest for hunting them to eat their meat, and a large number of people may visit zoos with children and families.
Okay.
So,
All right. Do you like all wild animals?
yes, I like all wild animals. I like to visit sometimes zoos, and I also like to watch the Discovery and National Geographic channels about wild animals.
All right. In general, how do people in your country feel about wild animals?
A large number of people scared about wild animals because they feel that they can harm them, and they stay away from us. A number of small people, they like their companies, and they used to play with them.
Okay, for part 3, your answers are insufficient. Try to speak a little more. Focus your fluency. You don't speak fluently. And grammatical range. Means grammatically there are mistakes in your sentences. So you should learn all 12 tenses from any video or from any book, right? And then practice with someone so that you become fluent. At present, the way you are speaking, this type of speaking will bring you around 5 to 5.5, not more than that. Okay, thank you.